Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can change your page URL in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go here to when you're at in page, and now just click manage pages, and here you're gonna see, like, I don't know, let's say I'm going to delete this one, contact. So what you want to do is just simply click here SEO Google, right? And now you're gonna see what's the last part or slug of the page of URL. Contact, and I can go like contact one. And right now it's going to change. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.